And today we're going to be baking an amazing Bibinka. And why did that turn out amazingly?
Because I was sticking to the recipe.
Wow! Who would have thought?
Yeah.
There you go, you did it!
Wow.
Here we go. Ah! Dangerous cooking with Nelly.
This looks like whiskey business. Nice. That salted egg.
Ooh,
nice.
beautiful.
We got a crush. What's up guys, it is getting very close to Christmas and we want to start baking some Christmas
Recipes,
some
yes.
Christmas pastries, some
Yeah.
Christmas breads, and this is part of a free video series that we are doing together with Gorenia and our friend Manu. Manu is pretty much the best baker in the Philippines. Well, if you don't know Manu, Manu has a pretty phenomenal Instagram account which we will link down below, and every time that we see his Instagram account we are literally salivating.
Yeah, I was so inspired to just, you know, bake the things that you do, and now we got him for our video today. So you can actually see how the recipes are created. I really love the pictures. I think it tastes even better.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
So we are actually today at the Gorenia showroom here in Legazpi Village, Makati. We actually sent out a message to our channel members to come join us if they're around, if they have time. If you're not a channel member yet, hit that join button, see our packages, and you know, if you want to become a member, and yeah, join us for events like this.
Yeah.
But the big question, what are we going to be baking today?
Bibinka. We'll be baking some ube halaya, Filipino twist on an ube babka.
Oh! Manu, tell us, how did you get into baking?
Just a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago, I've always liked food, right? I like to go out, try new restaurants, try new things to eat. But like the traffic in Manila is just insane, right? So like one day I decided, hey, how about I make something at home? Yeah, so that's where it all started. So like one day I decided to make cookies. That was the very first thing that I tried to bake.
Wow.
And then I just really enjoyed the process, and then so I tried to bake different things. I tried to challenge myself. So I started exploring breads as well. Yeah. So I was fascinated with the transformation process that happens with baking itself.
Yeah.
I know for a fact Nelly does enjoy baking, but here's the problem. So I'm an engineer.
Okay.
You're actually a software engineer. IT.
IT.
All right. So
Specialist.
So for an engineer, for me, everything is about precision, measurements, timing, all that kind of stuff.
Numbers.
Nelly is not interested in precision. She always just tries to throw things together and hopes that something nice comes out, but that's not how baking works. Baking is like very precise, and that's actually what I love. So I hope Nelly will kind of adapt some of the precision in baking and the art behind it.
Yeah, I'll try. To make a point, I baked amazing burger buns the other day. If you missed that video, it will pop up right here.
And why did that turn out amazingly?
Because I was sticking to the recipe.
Wow! Who would have thought? Alright guys, and today the first cooking video, the first Christmas recipe that we're gonna cook with you guys is gonna be the Bibinka.
Yes, Bibinka, something we love to eat during Christmas season.
And I love to eat that no matter what time of the year.
Mike loves Bibinka, so we are going to cook it today with Manu, and he's going to show us one easy recipe for home, right?
Yeah, it's just an easy recipe that you can make at home without the need for a clay pot oven. Cool.
Nice.
So it's just one version. Of Bibinka.
So what are the ingredients that we're going to be using today?
Essentially, we're going to be using rice flour, a little bit of all-purpose flour, coconut milk, sugar, and salted egg for the toppings. It's kind of like making a pancake batter, except we're going to bake it.
Oh wow!
I
didn't know about the salted egg on top.
We got a lot of comments on the video, of our Bibinka video, that we should have tried the salted egg version because that's the OG version.
All right.
And also, like, we're going to do this like very Filipino style with banana leaves.
With banana leaves.
Yeah, so
Like Mother Nature's baking paper.
yeah, super excited for this one. So let's go.
Going to mix all the wet ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with for the bibinka, 1/4 cup of water,
All right.
1 cup of coconut milk,
1 cup.
which is half the can we now know.
Okay.
But let's still measure it. Let's still measure it. 1 cup of coconut milk, 3 eggs. Can you do it with one hand?
No, I can't.
I can't either.
Why don't you try it?
Should I try it? No, it's going to fall right in. Okay, I'll do it with 2 hands. Are you guys ready? Oh my god.
Yeah. There you go, you did it.
Wow.
Here we go.
Such a risk taker.
Dangerous cooking. Nelly.
Okay, one more
Okay,
egg.
I'll do one more just for practice purpose.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh no, it's falling apart. Oh no.
Yes.
I think there's some eggshell in it.
We'll find out in the final part.
That gives it an extra little bit of crunch.
And let's also add our melted 1/4 cup of butter.
This looks like whiskey business.
Nice job, Mike. Nice job.
My underarms are still sore from the workout. Enough whiskey?
Enough whisking. I think we're good. So let's add our other ingredient. Around 1/2 cup of sugar. Do you want it a little sweeter? You can add a little more.
More whisking?
More whiskey, please.
Do the whisking, Mike. Do the whisking.
It really smells good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
And then we can add our dry ingredients.
All right. Which one first?
This would be 1 cup of rice flour.
Right.
I forgot.
You weren't too sure, right?
No. And then just a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And then 4 teaspoons of baking powder as our leavening agent. I lost count.
We have it on camera, it's fine.
So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of like a pancake batter.
It is,
almost,
yeah.
Good. Good. And then we're going to transfer the batter into our skillet.
Mike, how do you enjoy cooking with Manu?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
Great.
he's very
Because-
chill,
Yeah.
lots of fun.
Okay, so let's just distribute them evenly.
All right.
He's very focused.
Call me Walter White.
Oh no!
He's a science teacher.
We'll just pop them in the oven.
Nice.
After the first 15 minutes, then we'll add the salted egg.
Wait long.
Also salted egg, it tends to be a lot softer
Yeah.
than a hard-boiled egg, so it can be a little...
Can I just try this?
Go ahead.
It's my first time just trying salted egg, like just pure. I love salted egg. You know what? I'm gonna make us a salted egg carbonara soon.
Nice.
Nice.
Sounds amazing.
Right?
Very
Sticky.
sticky.
Should we maybe like make the knife wet so it doesn't stick as much to the knife?
Okay.
Pro tip.
I just like to be
wow.
it works better, right?
Amazing!
So let me put some water in this cup and then you can just dip it in after every slice. Yeah, if you're slicing salted egg or anything very soft and gooey for that matter, you just moisten the knife first. It won't stick as much to the knife and it'll just glide through more easily.
Master, I never knew that. Let's take it out first and then...
Oh,
Usually when we put the salted egg, it's supposed to kind of sink in a little.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Let's still try to put our salted eggs on top. Overcooked.
Yeah, I don't.
So they're slightly overcooked, but that's fine. We'll just top.
it's not called the perfect cooking channel.
Yeah. Yes. They're supposed to sink in. Let's just top some salted eggs. All right, and then let's pop them back in the oven.
Back in the oven?
Yeah.
Just squeeze.
How dare you not sink? Look, I wouldn't even blame yourself. I would just blame the Bibinka. Oh, that is hot. That is hot. It's so hot.
Alright, just pop them in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes.
Ouchie. Clearly I do not have asbestos hands. Oh, look at these. Oh, out of the way. Hot, 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 hot.
Ooh.
Nice. That salted egg smells so good.
Sink.
You know what? Oftentimes the salted egg is kind of like immersed into the bibinka. I love it much more when they're just floating on top.
Okay. We did it right.
I'm glad you made that executive decision on the.
It was a choice.
Yeah, the salted egg placing.
It was a choice. And then some people also like to add cheese on top. But I didn't bring any cheese.
This is the real thing. Can't stop a good thing. Cause I just gotta let you know.
So after hours of slaving over the stove, mostly watching Manu, we get to enjoy the fruit of our or his labor. And we have here these 3 beautiful dishes. We're gonna start out with the bibinka and give this one a try.
Okay. Drum rolls. Oh, that's a tiny piece.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
You get a close shot.
Yeah. Nice.
All right, I'll give this the first try. My God,
Okay.
that looks so nice.
Huge chunk of salted egg.
It smells delicious.
Mike loves salted eggs.
Nom, 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 nom. All right. That's so good. The salted egg, the texture is so nice. It's so comforting. It's just that hint of sweetness. And then you crumbled some sugar over it.
Yeah.
It gives it a nice little crunch when you're chewing it. The salted egg, just the combination of salty and sweet, it's just such a beautifully perfect combo. It just makes me happy. Nelly, you give it a try?
Okay.
Get some salted egg on there.
Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, I'm cutting one for me and for Manu. Okay?
Okay.
Let's try it together. So I'm going to put a little bit more of coconut on it because I love it. Okay,
Okay,
cheers.
cheers.
Oops. Oh, we're making a mess here. Wow.
It's not bad.
Wow. So nice. This
Nice.
is so nice. It's so satisfying. It's like a big pancake. And then the sugar on top makes it a little bit crunchy. And then you have the coconut flavor and the salted egg, which is not as like salty as I imagined it to be. I remember I had one salted egg that was like too salty. So it can, for me, ruin the experience. But this is perfect.
So good, right?
Wow.
Alright guys, this bibinka was so satisfying.
Yeah.
Really easy to make. It actually goes quite fast once you know the ingredients.
Yeah.
It comes together really quick. The salted egg gives it such a nice touch. It's just absolutely awesome. The salted egg you got at the market, right?
Yeah.
And the other ingredients also like really inexpensive to put together as like a cake, and it's nice to share. Guys, if you want to see the other recipes of the dishes that we have here, the babka and the ube jam, be sure to check out the other videos that will be coming in the next few weeks in the time running up to Christmas.
Yeah.
If you have any other dishes that you would like us to try, Christmas dishes, please let us know in the comments down below. Also, if you have any other locations that we should visit for Christmas, let us know.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and give this video a big fat like. Also, follow Manu
Yes.
over on Instagram. All his details are linked down below.
And
Amazing grid.
the recipe for this is also linked down below.
We'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome
Be positive.
and
Make it happen.
Bye bye.